Today's lesson is Long A Pattern 8. Let's read. G. 8. Gate. D. 8. Date. L. 8. Late. M. 8. Mate. Now it's your turn. Repeat after teacher. Gate. Date. Late. Mate. One more time. Gate. Date. Late. Mate. Great job! Now let's match the following pictures with their correct names. Gate. Perfect! The correct answer is picture number 1. Date. Wonderful! The correct answer is picture number 2. Late. Good job! The correct answer is picture number 1. Mate. Wonderful! The correct answer is picture number 2. Let's read the following sentences. The gate is red. The gate is red. I want to eat dates. I want to eat dates. We are late. We are late. He is my mate. He is my mate. Now it's your turn. Repeat after teacher. The gate is red. I want to eat dates. We are late. He is my mate. Wonderful! You did a very good job today. And because of that, you have chocolates from teacher. See you next time.